In this video, I'll show you how to split PDF pages for free using PDFGear. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a PDF with me here and you can see it. It's about 3 pages. And let's assume I want to split it into like a single PDF per se. Now, for this video, we're going to be using PDFGear as I've mentioned, and it's available for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. Now, I'm going to open up PDFGear because I've downloaded and installed it, and then I'm going to click on Split PDF. Now, the interface that loads up has a couple of options here, and one of the tools is Split PDF. I'll click on it, and once I click on it, it's going to give me a new dialog box to add files, and I'll click on that, and then select the file I want to split and click on Open. Now, the file is going to load up. It's going to show me the file name, the pages, the split mode, the status, and the operation. Now, if I click on the drop down, you can also see a fixed range. But for this one, I want to split into individual pages. That is page 1, 2, and 3. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to input 1, 2, 3. Now, that's individual files, 1, 2, 3. That is for the pages. And then click on split. And split is going to be complete, and because I have the option to view in Explorer after splitting, it's going to open up this new page, more or less folder, and you can see that is the first page of that particular PDF. This is the second page right here, and then this is the third page right here. And that is how you can easily split PDF into individual pages for free using PDFGear. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.